So listen up, Mzansi. AKA wasn't just South Africa's rap king, he was a universal connector tapping into cosmic frequencies. Every hit, every collaboration, pure bridge builder energy. This isn't a coincidence, it's a January 28th power in action. From Fela in Versace to Cross My Heart, AKA wasn't just making music, he was creating unity across continents. His global impact, that's that network energy coded in his DNA. Are you born January 28th? Look who you share cosmic DNA with the likes of Rick Ross and J. Cole. So you're not just connected, you're a global bridge architect rewiring human networks. His legacy isn't just music, it's proof that January 28th souls are born to connect worlds. So if you resonate with us, follow this page and drop a like.